Hey Jake, I've been trying to expand my English vocabulary lately. Have you ever tried learning advanced words?
Yeah, I actually enjoy it. It's like discovering hidden treasures in the language. What new words have you learned?
Let's see. I recently learned ubiquitous. It means something that's present everywhere.
Oh, that's a good one. So, like how smartphones are ubiquitous nowadays?
Exactly. And I also learned serendipity. It's such a beautiful word. It means finding something good without looking for it.
That's one of my favorites too! It's like when you stumble upon a great new cafe while just wandering around.
Yes. I love those little moments of serendipity. Do you have any favorite advanced words?
I do. I love the word ephemeral. It means something that lasts for a very short time.
Like a beautiful sunset or a perfect snowflake. That's a lovely word.
Definitely. And how about quintessential? It means the most perfect example of something.
Oh, I like that. So, we could say, pizza is the quintessential comfort food?
Exactly. You're getting the hang of it. Speaking of pizza, do you have any quintessential favorite foods?
Haha, probably chocolate. What about you?
I'd say sushi. It's quintessentially delicious.
Nice choice. It's fun using these advanced words in everyday conversation.
It really is. Plus, it makes you sound super smart. Like when you're at a party and casually drop ephemeral into a sentence.
Haha, yeah. And people are like, wow, what a vocabulary.
Exactly. It's a great way to impress people and keep your brain sharp.
Definitely. Speaking of keeping sharp, do you know any tips for remembering new vocabulary?
I like to use new words and sentences as soon as I learn them. It helps cement them in my memory.
That's a good tip. I also try to associate new words with images or situations.
That's smart. Visualization can really help with retention.
Yeah, and sometimes I make little stories using new words. It's a fun way to practice.
I should try that. Maybe we can make a story together using some advanced vocabulary.
Great idea. Let's see, how about we start with serendipity?
Sure. Once upon a time, a traveler experienced a moment of serendipity when he found a hidden garden full of ephemeral flowers.
Ooh, nice start. And in this garden, he discovered a quaint little cafe that served the most quintessential chocolate cake.
Perfect! While enjoying his cake, he met an enigmatic artist who painted ubiquitous scenes of the city.
And the artist explained that his inspiration came from observing the myriad of people passing by every day.
This encounter led to a fortuitous friendship, full of shared adventures and linguistic discoveries.
They often sat in the garden, discussing the profundity of ephemeral moments and the serendipitous nature of life.
That was fun! We used a lot of great words there.
We did. And it made the learning process so enjoyable. Do you have any other favorite advanced words?
I do! I love ineffable. It means something that's too great or extreme to be expressed in words.
That's a beautiful word. So, like, the feeling of falling in love might be ineffable?
Exactly. Or the awe you feel when you see the stars on a clear night.
That's perfect. Any others?
How about melancholy? It's a bit sad, but it's a word for a deep, pensive sadness.
It's a lovely word, though. Sometimes you need a word like that to express certain feelings.
True. Words like these add depth to our conversations and writing.
They really do. It's amazing how much a single word can convey.
Absolutely. Language is such a powerful tool.
So, Jake, do you think using advanced vocabulary can change the way people perceive us?
Definitely. It can make you seem more articulate and knowledgeable. But it's important to use them naturally, not just to show off.
For sure. It should enhance communication, not complicate it.
Exactly. It's all about finding the right balance. Using advanced words can be like adding spices to a dish.
That's a great analogy. Too much, and it's overwhelming. Just the right amount, and it's perfect.
Precisely. And sometimes, simple words are all you need.
True. Communication is about connection, after all.
Absolutely. So, Emma, what's your next vocabulary goal?
I think I want to start incorporating more advanced words into my writing. It's a good way to practice.
That's a great idea. I might join you on that. We could share our writings and give each other feedback.
I'd love that. It's always more fun to learn with a friend.
Agreed. And who knows? Maybe we'll discover some new favorite words along the way.
Sounds like a plan. Here's to our serendipitous vocabulary journey.
Cheers to that. And to all the ephemeral moments we'll capture with our words.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Until our next linguistic adventure.
Looking forward to it. Take care, Emma.
You too, Jake.